guys, what's up? So I'm here with Sogoodhair today again. Sogoodhair, this is what, my second time with Sogoodhair? I believe so. I think so. Yeah. Same kind of packaging, white and clean. So this is what's in the box. Hair right here. We got some lashes. Okay, we got a little goodie bag here with lashes and stuff in there. Let's see what's inside. So ooh, we have a scarf like here. Can wrap around the head. I love these. These come in so handy for me. So we have that, and then I have like extra elastic band, combs that you can put in your wig if you need to. I have lashes. I always love to collect the lashes. And what? Wait, are these earrings? Wait, what are these? They're earrings? What? Me not like them company here. Keep on stepping up their game, bruh. Oh wow, it's a pair of earrings. I love this. I see myself wearing this out sometime soon. This is nice. Thank you. Yeah, me happy for this. And me get a tweezer. And they sent two wig caps. Two different shades actually. This one matches me a little bit more. So I have two of that. And then that's all that's in the box. This is a nice little package right there. I'm so appreciative of that. Nice little package. Yeah, I like when packaging come with things. So, alright, so it comes in this drawstring purple bag. We working with some straight hair today. Straight, yeah. This right here, guys, is the Muse straight lace front wig, pre-plucked and pre-bleached natural hairline. And I could definitely see that they customized it really good. Can definitely see that it's bleached. I'm not sure if the camera is picking that up. And it has extra elastic bands in here. You could always remove those if you wish. So if you want to go completely like glueless, adhesiveless, you could use this to help to keep the hair more snugged or the wig more snug to your hairline. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. And as I said, it's lightly pre-plucked. And it shows here. I hope you guys are picking that up. It's unprocessed virgin hair, by the way. So this is how it looks. That's a cap construction. It has some comb inside. You could always remove those combs if you want to have it lay flatter or whatever. A 1B color, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna proceed to wearing this straight. I cut down a little bit of the lace so that I could see because it was a bit too long. And as usual, I took off some of the hair portion out today. I want to show the scalp. So I feel like I want to do a little bit of braid back with today's. It's like I want to go in and style it a little bit, not the regular like just let down and go type of stuff. So I am just going to apply this with my Got To Be spray.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're you and me. You're you and me. You could be around, but
you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're you and me. You're you
I'm all done with applying it. Obviously, I skipped the portion with me showing you the baby hair just because I always show that portion. But you saw me laying it and stuff, so now I'm getting a little help from my mother. So she's gonna just style the inside here for me, get some nice like braids on the inside, because I really want to show off the scalp. I feel like when you have wigs like these, you need to show the scalp off. Okay, that's how I feel. Yeah, by the way, if you're gonna ask, yes, I'm wearing fusion lashes.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You and me, you and me, you could be around.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
You could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. Said, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me,
you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me.
I'm just gonna kind of straighten the hair, so I'm gonna bring it in one.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but
you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but
this is how the hair looks. This is how it's looking. It looks pretty sleek. I love the look of the whole style. It came together really well. If you're going for that realistic look with the scalp and everything, I feel like it looks pretty good, you know, for what they're going for. Like, it looks pretty good. I'm happy I did this style so I could show off the scalp, but it looks so good. The hair feels pretty good, you know, standard straight hair. It's like pretty standard straight hair, you know, pretty flowy, as I showed you in the previous clip. Definitely, I always go for a more realistic lace. I almost said scalp, but I always go for a more realistic lace because you want something that looks as natural as possible. And I feel like this is pretty good. Like, this is a pretty good lace. I'm going to put all the specifications on the hair down below in the description box. I don't remember if I mentioned to you guys, but this is actually 22 inches long. Honestly, on me it feels like 24. It really feels like, you know, definitely got some broad out, so it feels a little bit like 24 inches. That's not bad. And it's 130% in density. I don't remember if I said that to you guys, but yeah guys, that's pretty much it. As I said, this was more of like, I wanted to focus on the style for this video to show off the lace a little bit more, and it's not that much of a technical style, but I did need a little hand. Sogoodhair, literally, this is some good hair. So yeah, I'm going to put all the information on that down below. Let me know if you guys like this little video. You know, it's just a little styling video. Let me know. Go ahead and check out the description box, as I said. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys haven't seen my recent uploads, go ahead and check those out. Don't forget to drop your video suggestions, and just stay tuned for my other upcoming videos, you know, challenges, mukbangs, you know, hauls, more hair video. Go and subscribe to my vlog channel. You don't want to miss out on that. I definitely upload every single week. So yeah guys, and I plan on really uploading more over there, but just stay tuned. Just go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, because the girl is very frequent with uploading, very consistent. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself.